morning, everybody. Today is March 16th, Monday, and the Dow Jones, right now I'm reporting at 10:42 California time, but it's actually probably 1:40 New York time, and my order for DIA, which is an ETF that tracks Dow Jones Industrial Average. I put my order, I think, at $212 to buy, and it just went through. Then I checked the stock market, and it's down minus 2,150 points. So basically, the stock market, as I said in my previous videos, doesn't know what's happening. It's going up on Friday by 2,000 points. It's going down today by 2,000 points. And basically the system is broken, and it's no longer trading in a rational manner, because people making decisions, for example, to buy, and then obviously reversing them and selling everything the next day. I think part of the issue is we have actually quite a bit of communication, and people or organizations who don't have correct information, or who don't have reliable information, or even like fantasizing about something, they still have the right to spread all this information online and basically infect people with misinformation, which obviously causes panic, and nobody knows, what is right and what is wrong. So I even heard that they are trying to blame Russia for now collusion with this world epidemic, and trying to spread the fake news. What is not fake, though, is that people are scared, and now it's difficult to buy food. I myself have two little children, and one, I guess, a 10-year-old, which is already a kind of like a big child, I would say. So for the 2-year-old, I need to buy some milk, which is made, it's kind of like, it's called Nido, made by Nestle, or Nestle, I don't know. So, but the point is that I used to buy it in Walmart, Target, Ralph's, and now it's not available anywhere. I used to be able to order it on Amazon, and now Amazon doesn't even list this thing as available for purchase. So, I'm frankly kind of surprised, because we don't really have that many children in America. Out of, like, we have 365 million people in this country, and last year we gave birth to 3.6 million children. Basically, out of 100 people in this country, only one child is born. So, or in other words, if we go kind of like 50-50, then out of 50 couples that comprise 100 people, only one child is born. So, and before I had no problem buying any kind of children products or baby products, because the demand is minuscule. Basically, 99% of the demand is for grown-ups and only 1% for children. So, but I don't know what's happening, but now that it's really hard to buy. Thank God I bought diapers, for two of my children, because specifically they were on a good sale in Costco, and I actually bought a bunch, and now they're kind of hard to find as well. So, but what I was trying to talk about is the stock market, and I'd like to pinpoint two companies that you should consider investing and one is called LabCorp, and the other one is Quest Diagnostics. These two companies, I mean, I'm sure probably if you worked in any kind of like corporate world, or you know, just went to your doctor for annual checkup, they would send you to do your blood work, as they said, or urine work, to these two companies, and they actually execute a bunch of different tests on people. For example, cholesterol tests, and let's say how much sugar you have in your blood and or your urine. So basically diabetes tests. And if you want to, if you have urinary, if you have basically let's call UC, urinary, I forgot what it was, but basically if you have some infection in your piss, you know, then they could search for a bacteria, so, and see why, for example, you run into the bathroom every 5 minutes wanting to piss. So but the point is, these two companies are now, they're both traded on the stock market, and they're direct beneficiaries from coronavirus testing, because now they do have kits, for example, that allow you to actually submit your sample, like a swab, that will basically you know, collect some of the material from your mouth or whatever, and then they send it to these two companies, and you know, these companies actually perform the tests. So I'm sure they would be flooded with these tests, and these tests are not cheap, but the government is paying for it, so I'm not sure if they negotiate a good price for it. But I think these two companies will benefit greatly from those two, from these tests. So and if you would like to you know, there's a bunch of other companies that actually benefiting from this thing. In fact, the retail, you know, everybody was saying the retail is dead. Well, go to any big retail store like that straight on the stock market. Target, Walmart, Ralph's belongs to another one. I forgot what it was, a Kroger, right? So all three guys are trading on the stock market, and their sales are out of control. So, and if you would like to know what other stocks to buy in the stock market right now that actually will benefit from the coronavirus pandemic or epidemic in America, go to the website stx.com. It will take you directly to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run my app on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. And it covers 5,500 stocks with daily buy and sell recommendations. So thank you for your time. Stay healthy, stay away from the coronavirus, and good luck trading.